Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Ads product campaigns for dropshipping brands, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Ads product campaigns for your dropshipping brand, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Make sure you have a Google Merchant Center account set up and linked to your Google Ads account. Upload your product feed to Google Merchant Center. Ensure your products comply with Google's advertising policies. Once your feed is approved, navigate to the Google Ads dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab in the left-hand menu. Select the blue plus button to create a new campaign. Choose the campaign goal that aligns with your marketing strategy, such as sales or website traffic. Then, select Shopping as the campaign type. You will see options for either a standard shopping campaign or a Performance Max campaign. For most dropshipping brands, a standard shopping campaign is recommended for targeting specific products. After selecting the type, choose your linked Merchant Center account. Set your campaign name to something descriptive for easy identification. Next, set a daily budget according to your advertising spend limits. Choose your bidding strategy, such as maximize conversion value or target CPA. Once your bidding strategy is selected, you can finalize the targeting settings. Define the locations where you want your ads to appear. Select the languages your potential customers speak. To reach a more specific audience, consider setting up ad scheduling. Once you've configured the settings, click Save and Continue. You will be prompted to set up. Name your ad group and define the product groups based on your product categories. Set bids for each product group if you choose to do manual bidding. Alternatively, keep the default bids if using automated strategies. Review your product groups to ensure they are set to capture the right audience. After configuring your ad groups, click Save and Continue. In the next step, you can create ads for your campaign. These ads will automatically pull product information from your Merchant Center feed. Select the products you wish to advertise within the ad group. Review the ad preview to ensure everything looks accurate. Once satisfied, proceed to finalize the campaign setup. Review all settings to ensure information is correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.